Peter Goebbels came onto the scene around the Canberra area around the mid-60s. He'd had a panel beating shop since the early 60s in Queanbeyan. He got involved with stock car racing at Mount Ginn, and of course that went on to get involved with the Speedway and building the Speedway out of Tralee there on the Morrison's property. Since then he's moved on to around Newcastle. He moved up to.
Both of them bloke up in Queensland and just riding around on work jobs every now and again. This one there's a 68 Tiger, 650, just for a normal day riding occasionally, everyday job.
How long have you had this one, Ken?
Oh, probably 6 months. Speedway Java. Been raced at Brisbane, bit in Adelaide in the 2-valve class.
How long have you had that one, Ken?
Oh, probably 10 years.
What's the history of the Jap, Ken?
This one's a Speedway Jap. Was in an old frame. We changed it over and put it into a Java frame. It was originally a Hagen Jap. Just been changed around a bit. Been raced at Sydney, Maruya, bloody down the coast.
Berger.
The BSA. In duplex frame. It's ridden by the old Speedway boys in the old days, and Airy and Gasco and Lenny Atley and all them boys.
How long you had the bike?
Oh, I probably had it for fucking 6 months.
Who'd you get her off?
Built by a bloke in Queensland, that classic racing.
Yep. And I notice here you've got a little collection of photos here.
Yeah.
And these are much the same ones that you sent up, yeah.
Yeah, they're the ones I sent you.
Yeah, they are too. That's good.
That's that other Jap over there, that between it in its old frame.
Right, yep.
Right, so those ones are racing at Maria.
Is that Maria or oh, that's Maria.
That's Maria, that's Hazy.
Yep.
That's Donny Blair, that's Henry Morrison, and that's me on the outside.
That's Henry there. Yeah. That's good. That's good. And that's Granty and Timmy Anderson.
Johnny Grant, Timmy Anderson.
Yep, I got that photo out of a book, and I think that's where that one's come from.
Yeah, there is a book with that on there. That's T-Mac.
T-Mac, yeah, that's a good photo of him.
That's when he won the race overseas.
Overseas, yeah. That was
Spain or Italy or somewhere.
I might be wrong.
Exactly where it was, yeah.
You and Blairy?
Me and Blairy at Berger.
I get a bit of a light shine there, tip it in that way a bit. Yeah, that's good. Kay in the background.
Nah, that's Kath.
Kath, are they sisters?
Oh, they look like sisters.
Yeah.
That's Gold Star BSA.
Yep.
Used to do a bit of road racing in the old days. 50 Triumph. Racing at Wakefield Park in Goulburn.
Ah, righto, yep. That's a good circuit, that, Wakefield.
Yeah. That's a long track Jawa, that one with the 2-speed gearbox.
Yep.
I think mine Maria maybe.
Looks like it could be with the mound in the middle.
That's a Jack Hogg.
Classic.
Coastal Classic.
That was in 2001, wasn't it? Yeah.
Oh, somewhere around there. There's Peter Flynn and Greg Gallagher. And the sidecar at Mount Ginn, wherever it was.
That's right. No, that was Maruya, original Maruya short circuit. The original track.
The early one, yeah.
Yeah.
That one's long track Bathurst.
Yeah, I've got that one. You sent that to me.
Yeah, that's Langy there. That's me there.
Yeah. Langy always had the orange overalls.
Yeah, he did. He raced in orange.
Not overalls, leathers. I should say.
There's a Peter Flynn and Greg Gallagher.
Again? There's a few photos of them floating around, but
There's my old mate Chad Morgan.
old Chad, yeah.
There's a bit of memorabilia in Tralee.
Tralee, yep. There's someone doing a restoration on the history of Tralee.
Yeah, well, this thing
But I
tells
can't
you all
contact
about,
it, but I can't think who it
all
is.
about it.
Oh, right, okay.
Oh, that's, I don't know, there's that, one of them's Peter Gerbil, I reckon there.
Hang on,
This
hold it
bloke here
still.
with the baldy head,
That's Goebbels, yeah.
yeah. Tells you all about there when it was first
Done.
started,
Yeah. That's good. Yeah, that's you there.
Yeah.
I think I know the number.
He's a Sydney bloke, that bloke. And that's at Maria too on the old Jack and the old frame.